It's Girmay now who launches. Girmay at the front. Can he stay there? It's history about to be written. It's Biniam Girmay who's going. Biniam Girmay with a force on the pedals. Right behind him is Mathieu van der Poel, who's trying to come around as they come to the line. Biniam Girmay, Mathieu van der Poel, Girmay to the line. Girmay still has it for the moment. Has to keep it going. And Vidi, Bini. More history is made. Eritrea is the winner of the Grand Tour stage. Say it loud, say it proud. The flag flies at the finish, and Biniam Girmay.
He's had that real nice long run, about 16 straight days. Biggest lead came out this Thursday from stage 12, won by lead at just over 100 points. We had that crash late on stage 16. Phillips won that race, but he shrunk down to 32 points. And a good couple of days after that, a strong win in Green Jersey for Girmay.
It's going to be a big party in Eritrea, judging by the celebration photos that we're already seeing after his first stage here. He's going to have a real hot party when he gets back there. And for good reason. This is an exciting race to see. A lot of times you see the Green Jersey as a one-on-one competition that isn't exciting at the end, but he's pushing all the way to his last few stages to keep that lead.
Recently, we've seen a lot of them by well over 100 points, even over 200 points. 33-point win over Jasper Phillips and the smallest margin of victory in this competition since back in 2000.
On the land of Eritrea, a champion on the rose. Biniam Girmay with the heart that glows. Riding through the mountains, conquering the hills, making history with his cycling skills. Biniam Girmay, the pride of Africa, breaking barriers, reaching for the stars. Green jersey shining, victory inside. First black African to win, what a glorious sight. Pedaling with passion, determination in his eyes, defying the odds, reaching for the skies. Through sweat and tears he never gave up, proving to the world he's a true cycling champ. Biniam Girmay, the pride of Africa, breaking barriers, reaching for the stars. Green jersey shining, victory inside. First black African to win, what a glorious sight. So let's raise our voices in celebration for Biniam Girmay, dream breaking down walls. With every pedal stroke he made history. Biniam Girmay, true cycling legacy. Biniam Girmay, true cycling legacy.